Hi there, and welcome to INDO Property Hub, the hub for Indonesian real estate. In this video, I would like to walk you through how to set up a property listing. We start on the home page and will log in from the login page. Fill in all of your credentials, and then click the login button to proceed to your account. From here, click on the Property Listing tab in the left-hand menu. This will display your property's dashboard. At this point, it's important to ensure you have an active subscription. Click on the Add New tab to proceed to the listing creation page. Fill in price detail, freehold or leasehold, property name, property ID number if you have one, property type, and stage. When completing the property description, please write a compelling description because this does help increase property interest by a large scale. To complete property address, we recommend using the Find on Map feature. Open the map and use the controls to find the property location. Place the pin and this will autofill that address in the top line. Then simply copy the details in the spaces below, such as postal code, state, and city. And then click on the Accept Map Location button. We understand some of you have concerns about posting the exact location. In this case, we recommend placing the pin close by in an empty area or an intersection. If you do this, please make a note of that in the property description. Open honesty is always the best policy. Next, we input specific property details and then complete checkboxes for the features. This is important because it will help your property stand out when customers do advanced property searches. Next, we upload property photos. There is a minimum of 5 images required, but please upload more where possible. And ensure they accurately represent the property in its current condition. And last is contact details. You can automatically use your profile details or input different details. Click Submit, and you are done. The property will appear in your Property Listing tab back in your account backend. Click on the property name to view the listing in Customer View. And if adjustments are needed, simply click Edit back in the Properties Listing section. Super easy, right? See you in the next video. Terima kasih.